Digital, huh? That's what we doing. Enes Gainer, I think that's how you say it. Enes Gainer, hopefully I'm saying your name right. Says, is eBay certified refurbished or Microsoft refurbished worth it for the Series S? More importantly, is it going to be basically in mint condition or nah, can't trust it long term? Now, I will be able to answer the first two questions, but I'll say the first question. I will be able to answer the first question, but we're gonna have to wait for that last question, man. Is it long term? Because I just received the Xbox Series S refurbished from Microsoft, not eBay. If you guys want me to check out eBay refurbished Xbox consoles, man, let me know in the comments and we can kind of do like a comparison if y'all want to see that, man. Comment some other questions you guys want me to make a video on and I get to as soon as possible. But we gotta run this intro because we already know we got too far in it, man. What's good? What's going on, man? It's your boy B. We back in this month with another video, man. Like I mentioned earlier in the video, man, we got the Xbox Series S here refurbished, man. I did end up grabbing this from Microsoft website, the official Microsoft website, and it retailed for $250. Now, the new Xbox Series S 500 gigabyte, that's going to cost you $299. Now, we all know if you got a chance to cop the Xbox Series S during the Black Friday sale, man, look, you caught yourself a steal because I believe that was going for like $230 at the most. So, yeah, but it don't even really matter. We got the refurbished Xbox. So I'm going to let you guys know. We're just going to do a quick unboxing and then later, I'll say like a few weeks from now, I do like a more in-depth video letting you guys know if I had any troubles with it, refurbished Xbox. But I have purchased a refurbished Xbox in the past. I believe it was like a Xbox 360, I want to say. And I don't recall having any problems with it. And that Xbox particularly came in like it looked like new, refurbished, you know what I'm saying? I will honestly go with refurbished over the used Xbox, me personally, because you never know what someone actually done with their console, you know what I'm saying, console bands, things of that nature you got to worry about. While with the refurbished, it actually been through Microsoft system, you know what I'm saying, they go check it out, they make sure all the mechanics and stuff like that is working, the inside is good, the outside look Krispy Kreme, hopefully. But anyways, man, we're gonna go ahead and do a quick unboxing, man, seeing what type of Xbox Series S we got. Hopefully we got us a good one. If we didn't, yeah, we're gonna find out together, man. But anyways, man, 512 gigabyte Xbox Series S. It does come in this all white box here, nothing crazy. So yeah, man. And it does say refurbished on the box as well, man. Hopefully you guys can see that. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this bad boy right now. But like I said, man, the Xbox Series S is a great console, man. It's definitely a great console, especially for those who are on a budget and want to get into the next gen gameplay, want to experience that next gen stuff, man. They do got the 1 terabyte coming out next month. I'm definitely gonna be doing a video on that, so if you guys want to see that, man, definitely be sure to hit that sub button, turn the notifications on so you don't miss that, because that's gonna be a banger for sure, man. The all black Xbox Series S. Yeah, even though I highly recommend that you guys, if you're gonna, unless you just want to get an Xbox, you're probably better off buying like the PS5 digital, spending an extra $20-$30 and have the next gen with the 4K graphics and all that extra good buttery stuff you get with the PlayStation 5. You know what I'm saying? But that's just my personal opinion. But here we guys go, man. Boom, inside the box. See, look, it looks like new. Like, you're not going to get buying this from EB Games, GameStop, whatever you want to call them. I don't know about eBay refurbished. Hopefully, eBay refurbished does the same thing. I'm assuming it probably does if you're buying it from the Microsoft themselves on eBay, because Microsoft has an account on eBay as well. So, hey, who knows, man? But inside the box, we got the Xbox Series X, man. One thing I really love about the Xbox Series S, man, is that it's super compact and slim. I can throw this anywhere in my gaming desk setup, bro, and like it doesn't take up no space whatsoever, man. So let's go ahead and get this thing up out the wrapper. Like I said, man, they packed this thing like it's like new, man. So you do save $50 going with the refurbished Xbox Series S. So if you are in the market looking for a next gen console and decided to go for Xbox, look, man, you might have a win right here. You might have a deal. This is the cheapest you're gonna find this, unless you can find it on sale somewhere else. I couldn't. So here we go, man. Boom. Right now, honestly, this thing look like it's in mint condition. I'm actually shocked and surprised at like the condition on this mug, man. I don't see any like scratches or scars, anything of that nature that's gonna like, oh man, this is definitely used. Now I do see like some type of sticker imprint on the front plate here. You probably ain't gonna be able to see that, man. It's really hard to see. You have to see it in person. The light reflection probably not gonna really show it as well, but so far so good. You do got all your model numbers in the back, things of that nature, all your ports right there, power supply port, your SSD, slide the HDMI, all that good stuff, man. Your Ethernet, and then in the front you got your port as well, USB, and the synchronized button for your Xbox if you want to sync any type of Xbox accessories. You got your sync button right there, man. So yeah, man, like I said, man, the vents and stuff look pretty well. We're gonna give it a little shake test, make sure nothing ain't rattling in there, because the box did come like somebody was kicking it on the porch. You know what I'm saying? Not even gonna hold you. But yeah, man, nothing's rattling. For those who didn't know, you do got your Xbox engraved here, and then it says made in Seattle, or hello from Seattle, on the back as well, man. Hopefully you guys can see that. You know what I'm saying? Get a little zoom in, zoom. Hopefully you guys can see those engraved, man. But yeah, man, everything looks good. The rubber grooves are in great condition as well. The rubber grooves are in great condition, man. Overall, I give this a 10 out of 10, man. I give this a 10 out of 10. From the outside looking in. Now, we do got to power this bad boy up, man. If you guys want to see all that stuff, man, make sure you guys stay tuned, because I'm going to be doing an updated video on this, because I don't want you guys spending your hard working money on something that's going to last a few weeks, a few days, or maybe one day, and you start getting all types of error codes. Now, we do also have the controller as well. Seems like they threw the controller in here, and it looks to be in great condition. I don't see any wear and tear on the analog sticks. I'm assuming that they probably replaced it if they did, but 9 times out of 10, they probably just threw a new controller in here, man. Who knows, bro? Who knows, man? The back, I don't see no scratches or anything on this controller, man. Everything looks crispy clean. It doesn't look like they peeled the back off or anything of that nature. Like I said, man, it look like a fairly new controller to me. We will be testing it out, so make sure you stay tuned for that video as well. We also have our power supply cable. Everything is all nice and wrapped like you pretty much got a brand new Xbox, man. Hey, yo, shout out to Microsoft, bro, for the refurbished Xbox here, man. I don't know. I like refurbished. Like I said, I look at refurbished as like new. You know what I'm saying? That's how I look at refurbished to me. You guys get in the comments and let me know, have you ever bought anything refurbished, whether that's a console or a device, headphones, or anything of that nature, cell phones. Let me know. That's pretty much all we get inside the box, man. Like I said, you got your HDMI port, you got your power supply port here. Those are the only things that you get. You also got this quick start guide as well. They include everything like you're buying pretty much a brand new Xbox. So that's pretty dope, man. Once again, man, shout out to Microsoft, man, for getting the job done. I really love Microsoft customer service and all what they do over there in the headquarters, man, especially dealing with, like, say if you have any issues or anything of that nature, man, they're quick to resolve your problems, man. So that's what I really love about Microsoft. Now, Sony's been working on this well. They've been getting better at customer service and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? The wait time is kind of crazy sometimes, but hey, it is what it is. You also get the included batteries as well. Now, I did actually end up buying a play and charge kit, but it's probably still outside somewhere, man. It said delivery. We gotta go find it, man. But anyways, yeah, that's the only L. Like, you gotta replace the battery. Someone did mention that Microsoft, they don't include the batteries or whatever, like a power battery pack or whatever, like PlayStation does, integrated into the controller. Is because that it could possibly like go bad. You know what I'm saying? So like, this is always gonna last whatever, or if your buttons or something go out, then it's GG's for the controller anyway, right? But that was somebody's thought process behind it, and I was like, okay, I understand that, but like, what are the chances that the battery in the back of the controller? I had never had that experience ever happen. I had PlayStation 3s, PlayStation 4, 5, like I never experienced the battery in the back going bad or anything of that nature. But let me know if you guys have, man. Who knows, man? Anything is possible. Anything is possible. But there you guys go, man. Xbox Series X Refurbished. It get a 10 out of 10 out of my book, man. If you guys have bought a refurbished one and had like any type of issues with it, be sure to comment them down below so people can look out for those type of issues if they find this video, man. Hopefully you guys find this video helpful, man. Like I said, man, 10 out of 10 for me. I don't really see no scratches or anything of that nature. I do see like I said, I do see like some type of like a sticker imprint or something like that was being placed here in the front, but you guys probably not going to be able to pick that up as well as I am. Maybe if I could turn it like this. I don't know. It's like a sticker imprint. That's the only thing I really see on the console, man. Like I say, ain't nothing rattling, so that's a huge plus right there. All the stickers and stuff like that on the back look in great condition, man. Look like a fairly new console to me. They get a W in my book. I highly recommend it, man. Like I said, it retails for $250. I think taxes in total, it came out to about $260, $275, maybe somewhere around there, $270, somewhere around there, man. So at the end of the day, it's still a steal. Any holidays coming up? Now, if you want to wait, you can. Honestly, personally, if it was me, I would honestly hold out. And if you had the extra money to do so, to dish out to get the 1 terabyte, man, the all black, I would definitely grab that. We will be doing a video on that real soon. Like I said, that console does come out, I believe, the 1st of September. So we definitely gonna be doing a video on that, man. So I can't wait to get the all black. The all black gonna look cool. The white is cool, but the all black is gonna be looking crazy. Don't care. I can't even lie to you. I can't even lie to you. But anyways, man, hope you guys find this video helpful once again, man. Appreciate the love, support, man. Be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe, click the bell icon, turn your notification on so you don't miss no bangers. And speaking of bangers, be sure to check out one of the videos at the end of the screen because it's definitely a banger. I would miss it if I was you, man. Hey, man, I'll catch y'all next video, man. Be sure to get in the comments, man. Let me know questions, thoughts, opinions, other videos y'all want me to do, and I got you, man. I'll catch y'all next video.